Good morning students, welcome to your English Varsi class. Dear kids, hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Dear kids, here's the book page number 46. Book page number 46 and 6 is here. Firstly, look at the picture. Here are the few ducks. How many ducks? 1, 2, 3. 3 ducks are here. And here are the men and 2 drums are here. Here's the bell, dogs, sheep, and ants kitten, and ants kitten. Okay kids, now you have to read the book page number 46. Let's read. Ducks go quack. Ducks go quack quack quack. Ducks go quack 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 quack. Drums go boom boom boom. Drums go boom 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 boom. Drums go boom 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 boom. Bells go ding. Bells go ding. Where's the bell? Here's the bell. Bells go ding. Ding dong ding. Bells go ding. Bells go ding. Ding dong ding. Dogs go bow. Dogs go bow. Bow wow wow. Dogs go bow wow, bow wow wow. Let's read again. Ducks go quack. Ducks go quack 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 quack. Drums go boom 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 boom. Bells go ding ding dong ding. Dogs go wow bow wow wow. So kids, now it's your turn to read half book page number 46. How many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 lines. These 8 lines you have to read. Allah Hafiz.